Dear viewers, in this video we will deal with the balancing of equation by ion electron method in the acidic medium. Now again here we have taken one equation, and the first step is similar that we have dealt in the oxidation number method, is that we will write the oxidation number of each atom involved in the reaction. Again here the oxidation number of chromium we will find out by taking it as X, and you will get it as +6. Oxygen is having oxidation number -2. Carbon you will find out the oxidation number by taking it as X. It will come out to be +3. Oxygen is -2. H positive is clearly showing the oxidation state as +1. Here it is being shown +3 chromium atom. In carbon dioxide, oxygen is showing -2 and carbon is showing +4 oxidation state. In water, hydrogen is +1 and oxygen is -2. So we have written in the step 1 all the oxidation numbers of the atoms involved in the reaction. Now in second step we have to identify the oxidation half reaction and the reduction half reaction in the above equation. So you can see there is a change in oxidation number in chromium, and there is a change in oxidation number of carbon from +3 to +4. So we'll copy the half reaction first for the corresponding reduction reaction, that is Cr2O7 2 negative is being converted to Cr3 positive. So because there is a increase in oxidation number, so this is a corresponding oxidation reaction. This is oxidation reaction, and the reduction reaction is involving a decrease in positive charge, that is C2O4 2 negative will give you CO2. So here there is an increase in oxidation number of carbon. Because there is an increase in oxidation number of carbon here, so this will be oxidation reaction, and here there is a decrease in the oxidation number of chromium because it is reducing from +6 to +3. So this will be the reduction reactions. I am really sorry, I have some other mind, so maybe okay. So now it is clear, this is reduction reaction because here the chromium oxidation number is being reduced from +6 to +3, and here the carbon oxidation number is increased from +3 to +4. So this is clearly an oxidation reaction and this is clearly a reduction reaction. Now we will balance individually these two reactions one by one. So first let's copy the reduction reaction, that is Cr2O7 2 negative, and it will give you Cr3 positive. Now let's balance this reaction. First we will balance the chromium atom. Here there are 2 chromium atoms, so here we will put 2 Cr3 positive. Now here there is 7 oxygen atoms and here there is no oxygen atom. So to balance oxygen atom, on the right side we will add 7 water molecules. Now again the hydrogen remains unbalanced. There are 14 hydrogen atoms, so here we will add 14 hydrogen ions to balance the hydrogen atoms. Now oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Now we need to balance the charge. You can see here the charge on this side is +14 -2, that is +12, and here the total charge is +6 positive. So we will balance the charge by adding the electron on the appropriate side. So here if we'll add +6 electrons, the charge will become +6 and +6. So here in this equation you will add +6 electrons and the equation will become Cr2O7 2 negative plus 14 H positive plus 6 electrons will give you 2 Cr3 positive plus 7 water. So this is the complete reduction reaction which has been balanced, including oxygen atoms, hydrogen atoms and the electrons. Now next is we have to balance the oxidation reaction. This is C2O4 2 negative will give you CO2. So first we'll balance the carbon atom. Here there's 2 carbon atoms, so we'll put 2 here. Okay, now carbon is balanced, oxygen is also balanced, 2 2s are 4 and 4 oxygen atom. Only the unbalanced thing here is charge. Here you have -2 charge and here there is no charge. So we can simply add 2 electrons on this side and this equation will also be balanced. Now both the oxidation and reduction reactions are now balanced. Now what we'll do, we have to cancel this electron on either side. So just like in maths you equalize the numbers by multiplying the whole equation with the corresponding number. So here we'll equalize this electron. Here there is 6 electron, here there is 2 electrons. So we'll multiply this entire equation by 3. So and we'll solve it by partial equation method. So let's first copy both the equations here. The oxidation half reaction, balanced half reaction, and the reduction balanced half reaction, that is Cr2O7 2 negative plus 14H positive plus 6 electron will give you 2 Cr3 positive plus 7 water. This was the equation, oxidation balanced reaction. Now we'll copy this equation, that is C2O4 2 negative will give you 2 CO2 plus 2 electron. Now we have to multiply this equation by 3. The entire equation will be multiplied by 3 and you will get as 3 C2O4 2 negative arrow 3 2s are 6 CO2 plus 3 2s are 6 electron. Now we are not concerned with this equation, we'll just deal with these 2 equations. Now we already equalized the number of electrons. Now what we'll do, we'll cancel the electrons on both the sides, right and left side. This will be cancelled with this. Now we'll copy the entire left portion on the left hand side and the entire right hand portion on the right hand side with the appropriate values. So here what has been left behind, that is Cr2O7 2 negative plus 3 C2O4 2 negative plus 14H positive. This is left on the entire left hand side, and now we'll copy the equation of the right hand side. Here there is no space, so I am writing it slightly below. You will have 2 Cr3 positive, so we'll write here as 2 Cr3 positive plus 7 water plus 6 CO2. Now you can check this equation again whether it is balanced or not. 2 chromium atoms, 7 and 4, 11 oxygen, 12 and 7, 19. So here you will have 6 2s are 12 and 7, 19 oxygen. Hydrogen is 7 2s are 14 and 14 hydrogen atoms. Everything is balanced including the charges. Okay, so this is the complete balanced equation by ion electron method, which we have done by balancing the corresponding oxidation and reduction half reactions, and then using the partial equation method to solve the equation in the acidic medium. This is the balancing which has been involved in the acidic medium. So you can just look the steps once again. First we'll copy the equation, write the oxidation numbers of each atom, then we'll find out the corresponding oxidation reduction reactions, then we'll balance them individually. First we'll balance the hydrogen atom by putting water on the side deficient in oxygen, and the H positive ion will be put on the side in which there is a deficiency in hydrogen atom. Then we'll balance the charge by putting the required number of electrons on the corresponding side, and then we'll balance in the similar way the other oxidation reaction. Both the reactions, when they will be balanced, we will equalize the number of electrons by multiplying it with a suitable number, and then by using partial equation method we will cancel out the electrons and we'll get the required balanced equation. And the next video will deal the balancing of equation by ion electron method in the basic medium.